Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah, yeah.
If you experience another problem or another difficulties on the camera that you have, I would like to tell you that GoPro is still more than happy to help you out. GoPro got your back in any cases. We got your back.
Thank you, bro.
Anyway, for the meantime, Trevor, is there anything else I can help you aside from this one?
You can like and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell. Yes, I will do that one later. I will share that one to my family and friends, you know. My friend is interested about that kind of content about motorcycle. Even me. I definitely hit subscribe later.
Okay, yeah, stay tuned, because hopefully then when the GoPro mic shows up, you can see the video where it works.
Yeah, sure, and give me a shout out in your future video in any case that you receive the mic adapter. My name is Thomas.
Oh, you're rolling out on the pit bikes. Fill up Juan's like 3 times with gas too much. Drenched it. Always messing up the gas fill up. Yeah, boys. Throwing the GoPro, no mic. Sat on the phone for an hour today with GoPro, trying to fix this mic problem, and still cannot figure it out. So, like I said, I have the GoPro 8, but I tried like 3 different mic setups and still cannot get it to work. So we're riding no mic, baby, just external mic today, but we're gonna go mob around on these pit bikes. Alright boys, this is it right here. This is the GoPro mic adapter from GoPro headquarters, and they said they tested it. It doesn't even come in the GoPro package. It's like stamped and individually packaged because they said they took it out and they tested it and ensured it works. So if you've been following this problem, I've tried 4 different mics, 3 different adapters. I'm going to plug it in before I turn it on too. I think that's something I read. Will we be able to ever motovlog? Testing, testing. I don't think it works. Will this mic ever work? It's getting sound, but it sounds terrible. I'm officially about to give up on GoPro. This is like beyond ridiculous. Not only because this isn't working, but the fact that I can't even contact someone at GoPro about this issue. And if I do, it's a 2-hour long phone call of them wanting me to troubleshoot it and sit here and try to figure this out. It literally has a hole through the screen from a rock. Like there's a literal hole in my screen. And this thing is beat, like has literally been in the bottom of lakes and stuff. And that thing worked. But their new products are just so bad. It just sucks that a company that is like almost a monopoly of action sports cameras, because there's just no one that's like as high as them, and like everybody resorts to using GoPro, cannot have good products anymore. Just more time and more days going into this. GoPro is just ass, and you guys suck fucking. Alright, have finally resolved the GoPro issue. People have been messaging me pretty much telling me that it's either my mic or my adapter, and I thought so too. So then I decided to go to Best Buy today and just buy a whole new GoPro 8 and see right out the box if the mic works with my setup using my mic adapter and my mic. Mic actually works with the new GoPro, so it has been resolved that the GoPro is the issue the whole time. I have to contact them again and try to get this GoPro warranted, and then I'm gonna go return this one. Now, knowing this is the issue, I just don't want to go through the whole hassle of trying to return this GoPro without knowing exactly what the problem was, because it's already been going on for over a month. Showed a little bit in the last video how I just got all this part of the backyard concreted, so this is a big move, and what I've been trying to do for the backyard, big old slab pieces, and now I could pull a car straight back here and be able to like do things and eventually get the car lift back here that I've been wanting to do. But this is big upgrades for a bunch of stuff. There's a lot of videos I've been trying to film and haven't been able to. That's gonna do it for this one, boys. Make sure you guys check out the description below if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one.